So I've had this dog vacuum for about a year and a half now. It does such a great job of not just getting the dog hair off of him, but also off of his dog bed too. It has a really long power cord here, so you've got access to a lot of the area. And then not just that, but you have all of these attachments that come with it too. And the base just connects right to the vacuum and it just kind of clips right on. But with it, you have kind of a duster. You've got a shaver too if you want to groom your dog that way. You have a crevice tool, and then you have the dog grooming tool itself. You have a nice long hose that just goes right onto the base, and that just clips right on here. Push it right through, and then to turn it on, you're just going to press this power button. Every single time that you hit the plus button, it's going to increase in intensity. And there's 3 different intensity levels. To take the top part off, you have a filter right here, and you just press that button right here. And to get all the hair out, you're just going to press this button right here, and that'll pop open the container. So that way you can clean it out. You can wash the filter, so that way you can just wash it, dry it, put it right back in. It'll be good as new. Put the base right back in, and then you're good to go. To put the attachment in, you're just going to pop it right on. Paulo, come. What I like about it is that once it starts to collect hair here, you just press this button right here, and it allows the hair to get sucked into the vacuum, and you'll see it collect down here. Level 1, 2, 3. For my dog, the sound doesn't bother him at all, but you have to test it out with your own dog though. And he actually likes it. And as you can see, it does a really great job. You can go ahead, pop that off, then put on the crevice tool. And then you're done. So once again, if you're looking for a pet grooming tool or a pet cleanup tool, this does a really good job. I highly recommend it. Once again, I've had this for a few years and it's done a great job for us. So check it out.